Hello guys, 5 lakhs GWatt tokens are giveaway for 500 winners. If you want to join, just I will give the link in the description. Just click on that and just join. After clicking on the link what I have given in the description, it will direct to this page. You can see here. So you can see 4,43,020 entries are present right now while I am recording, and 6 days left. You can see 5 lakh tokens airdrop. Gadget War 7 days token airdrop campaign, introducing the Gadget War token airdrop giveaway. How to participate: complete all mandatory Gleam tasks, complete extra tasks to gain bonus points and increase your chances of victory. So if you do more tasks, you are very nearer to the winner. So half a million gear token split among 500 random winners. So winners will be announced in 7 days. First, here you have to log in with your Facebook or Gmail or Twitter. Just whatever you want to join with, that you can click on that. I will join with Gmail, Google. So I will click on that. I will join. Now you can see here my name Kev Shiva Prasad. I have logged in with my Google. Then afterwards the first task is you have to join in their Twitter account. For that you will get 5 entries. Just click on that. So here you can see, please enter your details to complete your entry. Full name you have to write, and here you have to write your email address, and here down you can see wallet address. You have to copy your Web20 wallet address here. Here in Web20 wallet address you have to paste your Trust wallet address, or if you have MetaMask wallet address. Here I will paste my MetaMask wallet address. Then here you can see save. Just click on that. Then afterwards first task is to join their Twitter account. For that you will get 5 points. Click on that here. Just click on follow. Then it will redirect to your Twitter account. Here you can see, click on follow. That's it. Then go back. So here you can see one tick mark I have got. So the next task is retweet. Just click on that. For that you will get 5 entries. Click on that. Here you can see I got like this. Just click on retweet. Then you can see, you can like this you will get. Then click on retweet. That's it. Then go back. Now you can see for retweet I got tick mark like this. You have to pass the tasks by joining their Twitter account and retweet. And then afterwards you can see next third one is tweet with the hashtag. Just click on that. For that you will get 5 entries. Then click on tweet. It will redirect to their Twitter account. Then here you can see on top right side tweet is there. Just click on that. That's it. That's it. You have tweeted in your account about the Gadget War 5 lakhs token airdrop. That's it. And go back. Here you can see my third task also got tick mark. Then go for fourth task. For that you will get 5 entries. Click on that. You have to join their Telegram news channel. Here click on the Ganget news channel, then it will direct to their Telegram. Down you can see join, just click on that to join their Telegram channel, then go back. Here you can see I got the 4 tasks also, right tick mark. So like this you have to join in the task, and then fifth task is join Ganget War Telegram community chat. Just click on that, and here click on community chat. Here you have to click on join the community, that's it, and go back. Here you can see my fifth task also got tick mark. Like this you have to participate in the task, and here there are other 2 tasks are there. If you have Discord, join in that, and the last one is you have to refer to your friends. For that you will get 10 entries. So like this you have to participate in the task and you will get the entries. On top you can see I got 25 entries. So how much the entries are more, you will very nearer to win. So friends, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.